my YouTube channel Ayurveda Basking. In last video we see the Tridoshas and something brief about the Tridosha and what are the Tridosha. In this video we specifically talk about the locations of the Tridosha. First we see the general location of Tridosha and then we see the particular location of respective dosha, like what is the seat of Vata dosha, then its specific location, then Pitta dosha and then Kapha dosha. Okay, first we start with the general location and the related shloka is Te Vyapinopi Grinabhyor Adho Madhya Urdhva Samshriya. Here you can say Te. Te word is stand for the three dosha and all the three dosha in a sequence. Like our first shloka start with Vayu Pittam Kaphas Cheti. So in Te the sequence of dosha is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Te Vyapinopi. Vyapinopi का मतलब क्या होता है? They are omnipresent. Omnipresent का मतलब क्या होगा कि they are present all over the body. Like Vata is found in your head region, your abdomen region and your lower leg. But Grinabhyor Adho Madhya Urdhva Samshriya, इसका क्या मतलब है? हम तीन लोकेशन लेके चलते हैं. Okay, this is your navel region, this is somewhat your heart region. Okay, so there are three regions. One region is this, second and third. So below the navel, that region found below the navel is predominantly of the Vata dosha. In between the heart and navel is of Pitta dosha, and above the heart is predominantly of the Kapha dosha. So this is the general location. You can see Vata is below the navel क्योंकि first is the Vata dosha Grinabhyor. Grinabhyor means below the navel. Then Madhyo. Madhyo means between navel and epigastric is your Pitta. Second is Pitta. Urdhva. Urdhva means the above the heart is the Kapha dosha, and all these are in sequence, and this reference is from the Ashtanga Hrida Sutra Sthanam 1st chapter 7th shloka. You can see the diagram also. This is your Tridoshas Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Vata is predominantly in below navel region, like your leg region and your pelvic region. Pitta is in the abdomen region where your stomach found, some part of intestine, and above the heart region the head and neck and upper limb comes site of the Kapha dosha. Now we particularly discuss about the Vata dosha location, and there is a shloka about this all locations of the Vata is Pakvashya, Kati, Sakti, Shrotra, Asthi, Sparsha, Indriyam, Sthanam, Vatasya, Tatrapi, Pakvadanam Visheshas, that is given in the Ashtanga Hrida Sutra Sthanam 12th chapter 1st shloka. Seat of Vata is Pakvashya means hindgut, or you can say the colon region, large intestine, small intestine. Kati is the sacral region, you can say hip also, and Sakti is your lower limb. Shrotra Indriya, that is sense organ for audition, your ears. Asthi is bone. Sparsha Indriya means sense organ of tactile stimulus, you can say skin. So these are the location of Vata. Pakvashya means colon, Kati sacral region or hips, Sakti lower limb, Shrotra Indriya sense organ of audition, that is ear, Sparsha Indriyam and Asthi. Pakvashya is the specific location of the Vata. In diagram you can see the location also. So this is the Pakvashya Vishesham, means the Vishesha Sthana or specific location of Vata is the Pakvashya. Then Some other locations are given as Basti, Kati, Sakti, Sparsha Indriyam, Shrotra, Asthi, then your lower limb, and then your Purisha Sthanam. Purisha Sthanam, you can say your Pakvasha or intestine related. So this is the location of Vata. First we discuss about the general location and then the specific location. Second dosha is the Pitta dosha. Same sequence we follow here also. First we discuss about the general location and then the specific location. And the important shloka is Nabhir Amasha Svedo Lasika Ruddhiram Rasaha Drik Sparshanam Cha Pitasya Nabhiratra Visheshast. Ashtanga Shutrasanam 12th chapter 2nd shloka. And the location of Pitta are Nabhi. Nabhi means your umbilical region. Then Amasha, stomach. Sveda, sweat. Sveda is also one of the mala also, and we discuss in the later videos. Lasika, plasma portion. Ruddhira, blood. And Ruddhira is also the one of the Sapt Dhatu. So it is important to note here that one of the Sapt Dhatu, that is Ruddhira, is predominantly of the Pitta dosha. When we see the Dhatu and dosha relation, there we also see the same thing. Then Rasa, Drik, vision sense organ, that is your eyes. Sparshna, your skin. And here also Nabhi constitute the specific seat. You can see shloka: Nabhi, umbilical region. Amasha, stomach. Svedo, sweat. Lasika, Ruddhiram, Rasa, Drik, Sparshanam, Cha Pitasya. This is the location of Pitta, where you can see the sites of the Pitta. नाभिर अत्र विशेष, इनमें से जो नाभि है, umbilical region है, that is the specific location of the Pitta. Now we see the diagram also. In diagram we can see the same thing. This is your Amasha, then Nabhi, Drik, Sparshanam, Drik and Sparsha. This is two sense organ that is constituted by the Pitta dosha. Then this is Lasika, Ruddhira, blood. Rasa, Sveda. So this is the location of Pitta dosha, and above this Nabhi is the Vishesha Sthana of the Pitta. And in this diagram you can see the same thing that we discussed in the first shloka. Te Vyapinopi Grinabur Adho Madhya Urdhva Samshriya. That below navel is the Vata predominant. And between the heart and navel region is the Pitta predominant. Above heart is the Kapha predominant region in the body. Next we discuss about the Kapha dosha. So Kapha dosha is location related shloka is Ura, Kantha, Shira, Kloma, Parvani, Amasho, Rasa, Medho, Granam, Cha, Jivha, Cha, Kapasya, Sutramur, given in the Ashtangarita Shutrasthanam 12th chapter 3rd shloka. So seat of the Kapha are the Uras. Uras means thorax region, chest region. Kantha, neck region. Sira is the head region. Kloma, pancreas, sometimes also related with the trachea. Parvanis means joint. Amasha, stomach. Rasa, plasma portion of the blood. Medhas, adipose tissue. It is also one of the Saptadhatu that is constituted by the Kapha dosha. Then Grahana, olfaction sense organ, nose. Rasana is the taste sense organ, tongue. And Uras, chest, is the considered main seat of the Kapha. So shloka is Uras means thorax, Kantha, neck, Shira, head, Kloma, pancreas, Parvani, joint, Amasha, stomach, Rasa is the plasma portion of the blood, Medho, Grahana, Cha, Jivya is the locations of the Kapha, and इनमें से Uras is the main or the specific seat of the Kapha. You can see the diagram also. In diagram, Uras is the specific location of the Kapha, and it is found in the head, Griva, joint, Parvanis, Amasha, Medhas means adipose tissue, Kantha, jivha tongue, bahu upper limb, kloma and rasa dhatu. So this is the locations of all the three dosha. First we discuss about the briefly general location, then their specific location and vishesha sthana. Now we assemble this point with the modern also. Like kapha is constituted by the which part in the body. Kapha is basically the sinuses, nostrils, throat, bronchi, lungs. Means this region is constituted by the kapha dosha. Then pitta is the liver. Pitta is by the liver, spleen, gallbladder, stomach, duodenum and pancreas. So this middle portion is predominantly of the pitta dosha. Then if we talk about the next region, that is the vata. Vata is related with the small intestine, large intestine, and this region is of vata. Okay, so this is our basically locations of the three doshas. Now there is one question. If you learn this video briefly and easily, then there is no problem giving answer of this question. Which dosha seat is constituted by the Medas dhatu? And you can comment the answer. Further we discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you guys.